For the longest time, I've dreamed of building a luxurious mobile home with a unique design, a spacious bedroom on the top floor, and a modern living room and kitchen on the bottom. After finding the perfect double-decker bus and completing the initial interior gutting and body repairs, it's now time to focus on the exterior renovation. First, I tackled the rusted sections at the front and rear. The damage was worse than I initially thought, but I wasn't about to let that stop me. I carefully cut out all the damaged, corroded metal, making sure to remove every last bit of rust that could compromise the structure. Then came the welding. I fitted and welded in new, sturdy steel panels, ensuring the bus's body is solid, durable, and ready for the road ahead. Finally, after all the sanding was complete, the bus is now smooth and ready for a fresh coat of paint in the next episode. This is my first time tackling a project of this scale. It's been full of challenges and learning experiences. Transforming an old double-decker bus into one of the most modern and stylish mobile homes is definitely more complex than I initially imagined. Even so, I've pushed through and the exterior's finally prepped and waiting for its new color.